I like science. The joke in our family is that I wanted to be a doctor before my dad. So he was in graduate school when I was little, started med school when I was 5 or 6, but I already had my doctor kit. I was going to be some sort of an ologist, but I didn't know what. It started with bugs and then rocks and then dinosaurs. You have very limited idea of what's out there for you when you're in high school. You're either doctor, lawyer, this or that. I knew I was going to be a scientist. I knew that in medicine one can do research because that's what my father does. You know, you have to understand how life works. So you're going to have some biology, you're going to have some chemistry, you'll probably have some math. Having heard the terms before makes it that much easier when you get to a higher level, when you're actually really having to understand what's going on. On a basic level, I'm interested in what areas of the brain are important for memory, but also what kinds of memory. There are a number of different ways that we remember things, and that's one of the things that we're discovering. There's sort of two goals of our lab. One path is memory-oriented, another is oriented in the social and emotional disorders, with the ultimate goal, perhaps, of understanding autism. And so we are looking in the non-human primate, we use rhesus macaques, both in terms of memory and in social and emotional behavior, what areas of the brain contribute to these. And the macaques are great for this because you're trying to model a human condition. Monkeys have a lot of the same social hierarchies that humans do, but you don't really work in a vacuum. You have to know what is known to understand what is yet to be discovered. And so that is how you follow a path of research, and that may span a number of investigators, which is good, you know. But everyone sort of sees that this is kind of a constant process, and so you're furthering the process, hopefully, by your work, and time will tell, you know, whether or not 50 years from now people are citing my papers as something as having contributed to the field, and that's kind of what you hope. You're just trying to answer the questions that you have right now, realizing that they're small enough questions to be answered. But the big question of how it all works, how does it all come together, I think is probably going to be beyond me, and so, or beyond my lifetime, I should say. I hope it's not beyond me.